Hey friends, if you encounter error 651, the modem has reported an error in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the resolutions have been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum, and these are actually the obvious ones. Uninstall and reinstall the modem and install the latest modem driver. But I'll need you to know this thing that the modem doesn't have a driver. The modem has a firmware and you have to install it through a process in which you have to keep it connected to the ethernet. So it is better to contact your modem manufacturer for it other than doing it on your own, because this may cause serious problems to the modem. Now, as for uninstalling and reinstalling the modem, here's what you can do. uh, Turn off the modem and then make sure that it is connected to the router, or if it is a modem come router, then make sure that it's connected to the computer. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it on, then wait till all the lights are stable. Now another thing that you can do is reset the TCP IP, the protocol. The command is netsh space int space IP space reset. I'll copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Okay, paste it here and hit enter, and it will say okay success in all of these cases. Then it will finally say restart the computer to complete this action. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.